Most people get this wrong when they redeem gift cards from reward apps. They expect instant delivery, then panic when nothing shows up immediately. But that is not how the system actually works. In this video, you'll learn exactly how long Mistplay gift card delivery takes in 2026, what affects delivery speed, and how to avoid delays that most users don't even realize they are causing. And stay until the end because there is one simple mistake that can delay your gift card by days, even if everything else is correct. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay gift cards are not sent instantly like a bank transfer or digital wallet payment. They are processed through a reward system that includes verification, approval, and then delivery. So when you redeem a gift card, there are 3 stages happening behind the scenes. Stage 1 is redemption confirmation. This is when you exchange your units for a reward. This step is usually instant. Stage 2 is processing. This is where Mistplay verifies the request and prepares the gift card. This is the part that can take time. Stage 3 is delivery. This is when the gift card code is actually sent to your email or app inbox. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users receive their gift cards within a few minutes to a few hours. But in some cases, it can take up to 24 to 72 hours depending on demand, region, and verification checks. For example, imagine Alex redeems a $10 card on a normal weekday. He might receive it within an hour. But John redeems during a high traffic period or after multiple redemptions, and he might wait longer. But here's the problem most beginners face. They think delay means failure. So they contact support too early or assume something is wrong. In reality, the system is just processing. Now let's break down what actually affects delivery time. First is account activity. New accounts or accounts with unusual activity may go through extra verification. Second is reward type. Some gift cards are delivered faster than others depending on availability in your region. Third is demand. During weekends or promotions, processing queues can slow down slightly. Now here's where most people fail. They redeem repeatedly without checking status, which can actually trigger additional verification delays. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to ensure your gift card arrives as fast as possible every time. The best practice is simple. Keep your account consistent, avoid rapid repeated redemptions, and make sure your email details are correct before redeeming. That alone prevents most delays users complain about. So to summarize clearly, most Mistplay gift cards arrive within minutes to a few hours, but worst case can take up to 3 days depending on verification and demand. The biggest takeaway is this. Mistplay is usually fast, but delays come from system checks, not from missing payments. If this helped you understand gift card timing clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear reward app guides like this.